So you get to your office one morning and you move your mouse around or you tap your keyboard and you're greeted with nothing more than this black screen. You may even see your mouse. You know your computer's on since the lights are blinking, but you're not able to see your desktop or any of your programs, apps, or files. Stick around and I'll give you an explanation about this and show you how to troubleshoot it so you can be back up and running in no time. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. So unfortunately with Windows, this is a common problem. There are a few things that you can check to fix the problem. This is usually caused by graphics driver glitches. It can also be caused by Windows updates. Essentially, your computer goes to sleep or hibernates and Microsoft tries to do an update and it doesn't complete properly, or it gets stuck and you end up with this black screen. Another issue is the fast startup setting that Microsoft puts on us. Windows actually defaults to this. It's supposed to help you boot quicker, but sometimes it can cause this problem. So what can you do to fix this problem? The first thing you want to try is holding down the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and the B key all at the same time. You'll hear a quick beep, your screen will flash, and then hopefully your desktop will be back to working order. This actually resets your graphic driver. This works a large number of times. Before I move on, I want to tell you about an essential software toolkit that I've created for you to download for free. The link is in the description below. This essential software toolkit has a list of all the different apps and programs that I use regularly to maintain and clean up my computer as well as many other customer computers. This is a very comprehensive list and it'll help make your life easier when working on your computer. I also have several other downloads that are available. The link is in the description. Your next step is to try Control-Alt-Delete. Press those three keys at the same time and you'll end up with this screen. You'll want to select Task Manager, and you'll go up here to Run New Task. Type explorer.exe in this box here, and make sure you check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK, and your screen should come back to life. If that doesn't work, unfortunately you'll need to do a hard reboot. It's a good idea to restart your computer every once in a while anyway. But if you're stuck with this screen and unable to get to your desktop to start your day, you can do the hard reboot by holding down the power button for about 6 to 10 seconds. Once your computer completely powers off, no fans, no lights, nothing like that, you'll want to let it sit for a few minutes. I generally recommend about 15 minutes. After letting the computer sit, you can press the power button again to restart your computer. This should remedy your problem and your screen should be back to normal. Let me know in the comments what fixes you found for this problem. I like to hear what people can come up with to fix all the problems that happen with Microsoft and Windows. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click this next one for more tips on how to get the most out of your technology. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.